This video will show how to measure the oil on the Mercedes CLK500 or E-Class. This applies basically to model years 2003 to about 2009. What you need to do is put your key in the ignition, turn it twice, that would be position 2. With the menu here, you gotta scroll until you see your speed, or it might show temperature right there, either one. And then you go with the up arrow until you get to that screen, and you just wait for a few seconds. It will tell you if you need to add oil. It will tell you if you have too much oil, say reduce engine oil, or you might say observe waiting time, which what that means is you just had the car running, so you gotta wait about 15 minutes or so to get an accurate reading. Also keep in mind that if the car is not in a level surface, then your reading might be off. And that's all. Thank you.